Let's start. Today we will see how to handle the overflowing content using CSS. In the body tag, we have a div tag, and inside the div tag, we have a long text. In the style tag, we have written the CSS for the div tag. Here we have provided the background color, height, width, border, etc. to the div tag. Also, we have set the overflow attribute to visible. The default value of the overflow attribute is visible only. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the background color and the borders are applied only up to the height and width that we had specified, and the rest of the content just overflows this colored area. Now, let's set the overflow attribute to hidden. The hidden value will clamp or restrict the content to the specified area only. But, the problem is that we can no longer see the entire text. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the content has been restricted within the boundaries of the colored area. Now, let's set the overflow attribute to scroll. The scroll value will provide a vertical and horizontal scroll bar so that we can scroll and see the long content. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, I can scroll and see the long text. Now, let's change the overflow attribute to auto. The auto value behaves like the scroll value, but it only provides the scroll bars if and when it is necessary. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, since we do not need the horizontal scroll bar, the auto value did not provide it. We only have the vertical scroll bar now. Similarly, we can specify horizontal and vertical overflow attributes separately like this. So that's it. That's how you can handle the long overflowing content using CSS. Thank you.